and just try to make a burger. Try to close. Guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, something very easy and cool, like always. Today we're going to make broccoli burgers. Very easy, vegetarian, and why we're gonna use a couple ingredients. I show you we have, of course, broccoli. I already boiled it around 7-8 minutes. They boil. I'm gonna use one mozzarella, but you can use any cheese, soft, easy to melt you like. I'm gonna use 100 gram of Parmesan and some breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You know what we gonna do is first step we're gonna blend it, the broccoli. Okay, put it aside. And we start, okay? Okay. Anyway, we start putting it, even a little bit more, okay? But now I won't blend it, all of them. I'm gonna show you the final result from my mixer. And guys, always, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. See you when I'm finished blend all this. Hey guys, all my broccoli they blend. I use for this 2 whole broccoli. Later, depending on how many burgers or balls you want to do. Up to you. You can use any form you like. Anyway, the Parmesan inside, breadcrumb. I won't be start put slowly. I have this gold one, but you can use any breadcrumb you like. It's around 3-4 tablespoons, and start mix everything. We don't add any egg here. If you want, you can use your hands. Anyway, I'm gonna mix this very well, and I'm gonna show you the consistency I like. And we're gonna start put some mozzarella inside and pan fried very gentle and ready to eat. This is one dinner, quickly, cheap, and absolutely delicious. Okay, see you when it's ready. Guys, my broccoli have this consistency. It's not too soft and not too hard. Okay, now this we put at the moment there. I cut some mozzarella because I'm gonna use mozzarella, but you can do pieces like this, or I told you, or any cheese you like. Okay, and I show you now what we're gonna do. Take some of your broccoli. Later, how big you want to do, you can do flat in your hand like that. Yeah? Add a couple pieces mozzarella, how much you like. Take a little bit more, and just try to make a burger. Try to close. Wet your hand. I put here some oil, to work better and give a nice shape. That's it. Beautiful, smooth. And I forgot to say, I had, of course, when I was mix, I had some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You see, guys? And don't forget, this mix is already cooked, boiled. We're gonna just gentle fry it, okay? It's like that. Now, guys, You do your burgers or ball, what you like. You can do even without nothing inside, okay? When I'm finished this, we're gonna fry it and we're gonna taste it. So beautiful. Look, I did this for just simple, without any cheese, and this with mozzarella. I put already my pan on gas, very gentle, some sunflower oil, but very, not a lot, and we start fry. This, don't forget they cook. We just gonna, we're gonna brown it a little bit. The oil even is not too hot, and this they gonna do around couple minutes per side is done. Very gentle when you move it because they very delicate. Okay. The oil start. The oil leave like that. In couple minutes I'm gonna show you when I turn it. Okay. Guys, couple minutes gone. Very gentle. Something like this. And later we're gonna leave to rest. Okay, this is important. Okay. Hey. Okay, you fried all your burgers. This maybe I'm gonna turn again. And see you when I fried everything and we're gonna try it. I cannot wait. Delizioso. Okay guys, my burgers, broccoli burgers, they're ready. This is the empty one. This is with mozzarella. It's very important, guys. When you finish pan fry that one, they gonna cool down because if not, you can eat, but they can break it. It's beautiful, easy. They already maybe 15 minutes. Look, they already solid, and we try it. Absolutely delicious. I'm happy. Very happy. Very nice. Guys, what can I say? My broccoli, burgers, vegetarian stuff is this. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.